BBA. Absolutely fantastic to meet you. I mean, like, I've been teaching for BCA and BBA for some time, quite a long time ago. But my dear children, what we want to know is, after we BCA or we complete our BBA, what are we going to do next? The next thing obviously is MCA or MBA. But how are we going to get a job? This is the first question. So I shall write it down. How are we getting a job? It's a wonderful question. Thing is that, guys, if you got the guts to be put it, just put it down to the basic thing. If you have the guts, you can answer this question. The thing is that personality is not something like Bahubali, big strong arms, but it is how, whether you are tall, dark, handsome, or short, whatever it is. I'm not being what they say, racist here, but the thing is that you are getting a job. You are getting a job, but how are you going to get a job? There are so many things you have to practically think about. How am I supposed to go to this place for getting a job? It is difficult. You are nervous. Ayyo devre, namage job sigutte alva. You go in front of you write an exam, then you go in front of a person who is the junior HR, and then you go to the HR, and well, that's where it ends. Now every company that you think is going to hire you, yo, nanu BBA, BCA, I have scored 80%, 90%. No, that is not going to be useful. My dear friends, I'm sorry to tell you this. Your marks are not going to be relevant there. Because the field there, out there, I have experienced it. It is totally different. You have to go to, something like creative, to think out of the box, to do this. Otherwise, at the end of the day, hopefully I am a lecturer, I can teach anywhere, but ನೀವು egg rice ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. But that is not the issue. The issue is how to keep a job. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ English communication for BCA and BBA students. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ BCA BBA ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟ ಪಡ್ತೀರಾ. Appreciate it, really appreciate it, and it is something sort of ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ, think what is going to work in the interview. That is what personality development is all about, not Bahubali. Okay, I'm not insulting the film, it's a good film, but now personality andre idenu. How are we going to talk to the people who are there, who are going to choose us for the job, who are willing to keep us for a long time? Yesterday I discussed with my diploma students. They were actually astonished. And I am using the Indian version of it, Indian sort of way we speak English. But I told them, don't worry, do not worry, because this is something different. Our diploma ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಇನ್ನು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ, that is different. But guys, trust me when I say this. ನನ್ನನ್ನು ನಂಬಿ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಂಬಿ, ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ your level just goes 1 point higher. Maybe you might consider it as a brownie point. Brownie point ಅಂದ್ರೆ 100ರಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಸಿಕ್ತಪ್ಪ, ಓಕೆ ಬದುಕ್ಬಿಟ್ವಿ. But from tomorrow onwards I'll be taking just 2 classes for BBA and BCA students. You might complete your BCA and everything. Okay, so basically ನೀವು BCA BBA ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು MBA we have classes for MBA also. ಇಲ್ಲಿ BCA ಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ, projects, and BBA ಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ. Sorry, I forgot this. And MBA go they have projects, architecture, so many things. This is just an introductory classes and it's not going to last for more than 50 minutes. So I am not looking at how you are going to pay money or something like that. I am least bothered about it. I have everything. Okay, so how are we getting a job? I hope there are the first thing that you enter, whether you're BCA or BBA or maybe MBA, the first thing, HR agli, marketing agli, accountancy agli, yeno agli, the first thing that you are going to face there is the CCTV camera. ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ನಡೀತೀರಾ, ಏನು ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. I once had an experience when a girl, okay, I don't remember her name, Shweta eno ittu, she was so beautifully dressed. Actually I was oh wow, but I got the job, team leader agi job siktu, because my pronunciation, the way I am going to work, that mattered. The company always is going to ask you, how are you going to get this job done? For example, BBA ಇವ್ರನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ಗೆ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇವ್ರದ್ದು ಸಾರಿ BBA ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಓಕೆ BCA ಇಲ್ಲೇ, ಓಕೆ ಇವ್ರದ್ದು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರಿಂಗ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್, these guys have to prepare software. BBA ದವರು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್, HR, admin, these people get this job. I'm not saying that BCA ಅವರು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, I'm not telling that, but the point is ಇವಾಗ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಬರೀ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರಿಂಗ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದು MISC ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಮೈಕ್ರೋಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ಟಿಫೈಡ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ದೇ ನೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ವೇರ್. ದೇ ನೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ವೇರ್. ಇದನ್ನು A ಮಾಡ್ತಾನಂತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದಟ್ ನೋ. ಇಲ್ಲ, ತುಂಬಾ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿದೆ. ಐ ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಗರ್. ಹಾರ್ಡ್ವೇರ್ administrator agbodu, but I'm not saying that these BCA guys are less than BBA. At the end of the day, we see that these BBA guys get a better job. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್ಡ್ HR ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು. The point is, exactly as I can tell you, these are the things that you have to think. These are things that you have to think. And then basically this is one of the most important department, and this is the second most important department. Now financially hodre you have to know tally, etc. BCA hardware alle, but everybody has got an equal chance to be better than others. Ade important irodu. And then finally, as usual, I would like to tell you a joke. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ BCA BBA ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪಿಟಿಷನ್. So I would like to tell you one simple joke. ಅದರಲ್ಲೇ ನೀವು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಜೋಕ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚಿತವಾಗಿ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಐ ರಿಯಲಿ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್, ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಆಡಿಯೋನೇ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂತೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಲವ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಸ್ಮೈಲಿಂಗ್. ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ಅದು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್, he was the third among Indian Army selection. ಅಂದ್ರೆ NDA ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದವರು ಇಬ್ಬರು NDA ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 4-5 ಜನ MBBS ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮಿ. ಸೊ ಇವರು ಏನೊಂದು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಫುಲ್ಲು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಗಿಸಿದ್ರು, ಶೂಟಿಂಗು ಅದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಗನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು 10 out of 10. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ನೀವು CBI ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಅವರು ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಬಿಡಪ್ಪ, ಏನೋ CBI ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಬ್ಯೂರೋ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಅದು ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಸರಿ ಆಯಿತು, ವಿ ವಿಲ್ accept the test. They told that. And then the first person was sent inside ಒಂದು ರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ. ನಿನಗೆ ದೇಶ ಮುಖ್ಯನೋ ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಮುಖ್ಯನೋ ಅಂತಂದು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಅವನು ಹೋದ ಪಾಪ ಒಳಗಡೆ. 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದ. ಸರ್, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಂಡತಿಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಐ ಲವ್ ಮೈ ವೈಫ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್, ಐ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಕಿಲ್ ಹರ್, ಅದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು. ದೆನ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಉಂಟು. 20 ನಿಮಿಷ ಆಯಿತು, ಅವನು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ದ. ಸರ್, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ನನಗೆ ಮುಖ್ಯ, ನಾನು ದೇಶದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ರಿ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, ನಾನು ಇದು ಏನಂತದಕ್ಕೆ ಜೀವ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಬಟ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾರಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಹಿ ವೆಂಟ್ 1 hour ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವನು ಚೀಫ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ, ಏನಂತಾರೆ ರೆಕ್ರೂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್, ಅವನು ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ನೀನು 1 hour ತಗೊಂಡಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದು ಕೇಳ್ದ. ಇಲ್ಲ ರೀ, ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಬ್ಲೇಮ್ ಯು ಸರ್. Who was that idiot who gave me a rifle, the revolver without any bullet in? I had to hit that lady with my hand and a killer. Nodi sir, I'm Desh Bhakta. So this joke will be good with you. Can you understand this? This joke will be good with you. Why? Because what is the practical thing? Adan you nodbeku. What is practical? That of course was joke. Now ille BCAದವರಿಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗು, HR, admin, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ವೇರು. So these are things for the first class and I hope you have enjoyed that. We will be getting more classes with your textbooks, and especially one more thing I want to, your homework. Your homework will be, I'll put a cross here, will be listening skills. Listening skills. What does your employer tell you? Listening skills. ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗವಾಗಿ, how fast you can take it and understand your employer and how are you going to deal with it. That we are going to learn in our next class. Okay? And well, I have told you the joke, then maybe I should remember another joke. There was a well actually. So I think my wonderful son is telling that, Dad, this is the limit that you can go, but I am trying to improve the the things that are going to happen. So hopefully tomorrow we are going to have another class. We'll start with what is personality, and of course we are going to start with Freud. Freud, Sigmund. Okay, we're going to start with him. Id, ego, super ego, all those things we can do with that. Okay, and tomorrow there is going to be another class for MBA students. Okay, take care. Have a nice night. Sorry, I had to take the class in the night because I am a little bit unwell. So I had to take the class in the night. But anyway, God bless. Take care. Wear masks. That's it. Thank you.